In this video, we are going to solve a sums which is based upon class 10th mathematics, and the chapter is from the mensuration. Mensuration class 10th. This one is a board mark question. ये बोर्ड के 2024 के पेपर में क्वेश्चन आया हुआ है that the difference between the outer and inner radius of a hollow slide cylinder of length 14 centimeter is 1 centimeter. If the volume of the metal used in making the cylinder is 176 centimeter cube, then find the outer and inner radius of the cylinder. क्वेश्चन क्या है? एक hollow cylinder है इसमें the difference between the outer radius and the inner radius is 1 centimeter. Means we can say that the capital R minus a small r will be 1 centimeter. And the height of this hollow cylinder is how much? It is 14 centimeter. The value of h is 14 centimeter. Now the question is, if the material used in making this hollow cylinder, that means the material means what? This portion of the area है ना, ये part जो है बनाने में इस पोर्शंस को जो मटेरियल लगा होगा, if you assume this to be a kind of material to be used to make this hollow cylinder like a pipe that we have, जैसे एक पाइप होता है, उस पाइप में इस एरिया में जो मटेरियल लगा होगा उसको ड्रॉ करने में, बनाने में, उस मटेरियल का वॉल्यूम क्या है? इट इज 173 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. तो वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस कैपिटल रेडियस एंड स्मॉल रेडियस. सिंपल सा कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है? दैट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ मटेरियल is given by 176 centimeter cube, and we know that the volume of the hollow cylinder is given by pi r square h minus pi r square h. That means the outer volume minus inner volume. इस सिलेंडर का जो आउटर वॉल्यूम होगा वो कैपिटल आर के थ्रू, और ये जो छोटा सिलेंडर अंदर में है उसका वॉल्यूम. इफ वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट बोथ द वॉल्यूम, that will gives you the volume of the material. So it is pi r square h minus pi r square h will be equal to 176. Now if you want, you can take pi common and h common. It will becomes as r square minus r square is equal to 176. Now the value of r square minus r square, we can express r square minus r square as r minus r plus r. We are using over here the formula of a square minus b square. क्या होता है वो? a minus b, a plus b will be given by 176 by pi h, और 176 by pi को हम लोग पुट कर सकते हैं 22 by 7 लगाएंगे ऊपर में, और h का वैल्यू we can put as how much? 14. if we will cancel, ये हो जाएगा 11 से 11 to 22, 11 बन जाए 11 6 66. and finally we can cancel by 7 to 14, 2 से 2 8 जा 16, and 2 4 जा 8. so finally what we get? We get as r minus r multiply r plus r is equal to how much? Is equal to 4. Now we have the value of r minus r, how much? 1 centimeter. तो अगर यहाँ हम उसको 1 ले लेते हैं, so 1 multiply r plus r will becomes 4, and finally we can say that r plus r क्या हो जाएगा? 4. So we have two equations over here. The first as r minus r1 and second as r plus r4. We can simplify them in the form of, through the method of, we say elimination method है ना. So just solve it. r plus r and r minus r. r plus r comes to be 4. r minus r is 1. When you will cancel, it will be r plus r. 2r equal to 4 plus 1 5. We can say r will be 5 by 2. That means 2.5. And when you will put the value of this r in the first or second equations, by using first equation we can say the small r will be 4 minus capital R. That means 4 minus the capital R is 5 by 2. It will be 4 to the 8. 8 minus 5 by 2, that means 3 by. So finally we can say that the value of the capital R is 5 by 2 centimeter, or we can say 2.5 centimeter, and the value of small r is 3 by 2 centimeter, that means 1.5 centimeter. So by this way we can solve this mensuration based question. Thank you.